Hey guys, I know Valentine's Day is around the corner and everybody will have fear of missing out. This year I'm single, sir. Neo Solari, sir, you are not single, so we will talk like this. But I just want to share some history about that. Before that, sir, video. Every video we both want to do together, our son has to be in it. Either he'll be sleeping, but today he holds the stick here, so he's here. That's totally fine. But coming back to Valentine's Day, guys, when I was a student also, I've been single all my student days. Our relationship came by only after we qualified as CAs. So to talk about relationships, guys, I'm not here to tell you get into relationship, don't do into relationship. It's your life. As a CA student, do whatever is good for you. I'm sure some parents are going to scold me after looking at this, but sorry in advance itself. Now, only I'm சொல்லுவேன் whichever relationship you get into, let it be Valentine's Day, Friendship Day, or Mother's Day, whatever relationship you have in your life, guys, it has to be fruitful for both of you. You know, both of you have to grow together. For example, myself and Niveda ma'am, when we started dating when we were students in our CA final days, we used to study together and we wrote the exams together and both of us cleared together. And then since then, we've been growing in life. Of course, yes, there will be fights. Ella relationship fights will be there. That's going to be part of it. But look at the bigger picture. Are we growing together? Are we happy together? If a relationship is pulling you down, the other person is saying, "Ida palakoladu, ada palakoladu, don't do that." If I go for a trip with my friends, the other person is getting insecure. Show me your phone. And the loud paramadi, who phone WhatsApp full scan pandra. Share the location with me. 24 hours location, I will see your location. These are the traits of a toxic relationship. These things should not be there, guys. In relationship, the most important thing is trust. Especially Valentine's Day, நிறைய பேர் ஆஃபர்லாம் தராங்க for CA classes. I thought offer your from our side, but to talk about Valentine's Day, yes, I know most of us will be single because I was also single on CA student days. Customer because when you are single, you will think, when you didn't a relationship, you will think if I'm single, life will be happy. Correct? Believe me, you will not get back the single life. For me, I give an example. When I was single, I can get home at 1 a.m. I can get home next day. But now after marriage, I have to get home before 10 p.m. Otherwise, never around will be call me. So, in the single also have advantages, guys. Correct. Anything you want to share whether to our students regarding Valentine's Day, your experience of Valentine's Day?
My experience of Valentine's Day ஒன்னும் பெருசா கிடையாது. When you are studying, you study. Relationship can wait. After you clear the exam, you can get into a relationship and do whatever you want. Sir சொல்றதெல்லாம் கேட்கறதுக்கு வேணா நல்லா இருக்கும், but it is a distraction for all of you. So don't get into it right now. If you like somebody, it's okay. You can hold on to that feeling. If you really like that person, you like him even after you clear CA. So அப்போ கூட you can continue the relationship, go forward, then talk to your parents. In fact, after you become a CA, if you talk to your parents, they will also get கொஞ்சம் confidence on you. So please don't do all those things. Don't get distracted. Study well, guys. See, not everybody will be in the same mindset. So you will be feeling like both of us will study together, both of us will grow together. That can be in you. But if the other person is not that the same way, then that is going to pull you down. If both of you are in the same boat, then okay, then both the boats are going the same boat now, and the boat is going to sail. But if both of us are in different boats, then both of you are going to sink.
CA annual exams in November 2017 when I became CA. In October, that time when Diwali came, Merson movie came. That Merson movie, me and Nam went and watched together. There were all the other friends. That was the first movie we went and watched together. After Merson movie, only I proposed to ma'am that time when she was a student. 1 week before, you were also a student. I was also a student. 1 week before my CA final exam, I got rejected. That no, we don't want to date. We should only be friends. How hard it would have been 1 week before final exam, but that exam I passed. That is not because of that thing. Previously, I had many breakups. So I learned how to deal with breakups. So don't worry, guys. Many breakups will make you stronger to become stronger in future relationships. Correct?
So and the strength you can gain after your exam. So please study well, guys.
Yeah, all the best. But let's keep the fun apart, guys. That's that. But always keep your focus on career. The relationship will come to you automatically. So that's about it.
Anyway, come to you. Everybody is going to anyway get married. So don't be too hard on yourself. Enjoy your life, but study well.
And let me know in the comments what are your plans for Valentine's Day.